In this video, I'll show you how to fix and complete Discord phone number verification the right way. First, make sure you're entering your phone number correctly. Select the right country code and double-check the number for any mistakes. Even a small error can prevent you from receiving the verification code. Next, request the verification code and wait for the SMS. If you don't receive it right away, give it a few minutes and avoid requesting multiple codes too quickly, as this can trigger temporary blocks. If you're still not receiving the code, try restarting your phone or checking your signal. You can also try using a different mobile network or temporarily disabling any call or SMS blocking apps. Another helpful step is to wait before trying again if you see an error like too many requests. This usually resets after some time. If the issue continues, contact Discord support and provide your phone number and account details so they can help resolve the problem. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.